Hello and welcome to Fizz Media. Ready to test your IQ with a challenging quiz? You'll have 15 seconds to answer each of the 20 questions. Be sure to keep track of your score so you can find out your IQ level at the end of the video. Ready? Let's get started. Question 1. Which number logically comes next in the series? 3, 4, 7, 12, 19? Is it A, 28, B, 36, C, 30, or D, 40? The correct answer is A, 28. The pattern involves adding consecutive odd numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 7 is 19. So, adding the next odd number, 9, gives us 28. Question 2. If a train travels at a speed of 60 miles per hour, how far will it travel in 45 minutes? Is it A, 45 miles, B, 30 miles, C, 60 miles, or D, 90 miles? The correct answer is A, 45 miles, because distance equals speed. Times time. Question 3. In a certain code, if A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, what does J plus Q plus R equal? Is it A, 34, B, 37, C, 45, or D, 48? The correct answer is C, 45. J is 10, Q is 17, and R is 18. Adding these gives us 45. Question 4. What is the next number in this sequence? 7, 14, 28, 56? Is it A, 112, B, 84, C, 120, or D, 96? The correct answer is A, 112. The pattern is multiplying each number by 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. And so on. So, 56 times 2 is 112. Question 5. If it takes 4 people, 8 hours to complete a task, how long will it take 2 people to complete the same task, assuming they work at the same rate? Is it A, 10 hours, B, 16 hours, C, 12 hours, or D, 8 hours? The correct answer is B, 16 hours. If the number of workers is halved, the time required doubles. Question 6. Which of the following shapes has the most vertices? Is it A, pentagon, B, hexagon, C, octagon, or D, decagon? The correct answer is D, decagon. A decagon has 10 vertices, more than any other shape listed. Question 7. What is the square root of the number 225? Is it A, 13, B, 14, C, 15, or D, 16? The correct answer is C, 15. Question 8. If two numbers multiply to give 36 and add to give 13, what are the numbers? Is it A, 2 and 18, B, 4 and 9, C, 6 and 7, or D, 6 and 6? The correct answer is B, 4 and 9. Question 9. Which of the following fractions is the largest? Is it A, 3/4, B, 7/10, C, 5/6, or D, 2/3? The correct answer is C, 5/6. When converted to decimal, 5/6 is approximately 0.8333, which is the largest. Question 10. If the sum of three consecutive even numbers is 48, what is the smallest of these numbers? Is it A, 14, B, 28, C, 18, or D, 8? The correct answer is A, 14. The three consecutive even numbers are 14, 16, and 18, which add up to 48. Question 11. Which of these groups of numbers is a palindrome? Is it A, 12,431, B, 12,321, C, 13,451, or D, 14,521? The correct answer is B, 12,321. It reads the same both ways, which is what a palindrome does. Question 12. In a family of 6, there are 3 brothers, and each brother has 1 sister. How many siblings are there in total? Is it A, 3, B, 4, C, 6, or D, 7? The correct answer is B, 4. There are 3 brothers and 1 sister. Question 13. If you multiply a number by itself and then subtract the original number, you get 132. What is the number? Is it A, 9, B, 10, C, 11, or D, 12? The correct answer is D, 12. Question 14. Which word cannot be made from the letters of the word astronomical? Is it A, action, B, storm, C, mason, or D, clinical? The correct answer is D, clinical. Question 15. If it takes 12 hours for a car to cover 600 kilometers, how far will it go in 3 hours at the same speed? Is it A, 100 kilometers, B, 150 kilometers, C, 200 kilometers, or D, 300 kilometers? The correct answer is B, 150 kilometers. The car travels 50 kilometers per hour, so in 3 hours it will cover 150 kilometers. Question 16. Which of the following is not a prime number? Is it A, 19, B, 23, C, 29, or D, 35? The correct answer is D, 35. 35 is divisible by 5 and 7, so it is not a prime number. Question 17. How many times does the digit 2 appear in the numbers from 1 to 50? Is it A, 10, B, 13, C, 17, or D, 15? The correct answer is D, 15. Question 18. What is the value of the expression 8 plus 6 divided by 2? Is it A, 7, B, 8, C, 11, or D, 10? The correct answer is C, 11. According to the order of operations, divide 6 by 2 first, which equals 3. Then add 8 to get 11. Question 19. What is the next term in the sequence? 2, 4, 8, 14? Is it A, 30, B, 22, C, 32, or D, 36? The correct answer is B, 22. The pattern involves adding consecutive even numbers. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 6 plus 8 is 14. Adding the next even number, 8, gives 22. Question 20. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 widgets, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 widgets? Is it A, 5 minutes, B, 50 minutes, C, 100 minutes, or D, 1 minute? The correct answer is A, 5 minutes. Each machine makes 1 widget in 5 minutes. With 100 machines working simultaneously, they can still produce 100 widgets in the same 5 minutes. You did it! That was challenging, right? Now the 20 questions are over. Let's see how you scored and what it says about your IQ. If you got 0 to 5 correct answers right, don't worry. That was a tough quiz, but keep practicing and you'll sharpen those skills. If you got 6 to 10 correct answers right, you're doing great. Your IQ is above average. Keep up the good work. If you got 11 to 15 correct answers right, excellent. You have a sharp mind and a high IQ. If you got 16 to 20 correct answers right, incredible. Your IQ is off the charts. Well done. And that wraps up our IQ test. How did you do? Comment your IQ below. Thanks for playing along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quizzes and challenges. See you next time.